the dead of night, when winds blow cold and moonlight bathes the fields in gold, a whisper floats upon the breeze, the mournful wail of the banshee. She walks the path where shadows creep, through ancient ruins and boglands deep. Her hair flows wild, her eyes are grey, she cries for those who pass away. Some see a maid in robes of white, with sorrowed face and skin like light. Some say she's old, with hands like bone, a crone who walks the hills alone. By river's edge or lonesome glen, she weeps for dying Gaelic men. O'Neill's, O'Grady's, sore O'Brien, she cries for them as they lay dying. She bears no blade, no ghostly flame, she speaks no curse, she calls no name. Yet hearts grow cold to hear her moan, and know the grave won't wait too long. She's not from hell nor heaven's choir, but fey-born blood and funeral fire, a spirit from the other world, where mist and fate are tightly furled. No mortal soul can make her cease, she sings of death but not of peace. So one note can freeze the fiercest will, one cry and all the earth grows still. Doors or castle walls, her sorrow echoes through the halls, then fades before the morning dew. A soul has gone, her cry was true. So mind the hush at close of day, and heed the winds along the way. For if you hear that lonesome cry, someone you love is going to die.